Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the receiver supports Bluetooth and updating firmware when possible. This prevents pairing issues. Once ready, power on the Yamaha and select the Bluetooth input or press the receiver's Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Meanwhile, put your phone or laptop into Bluetooth discoverable mode so devices can see each other. Keep devices within about 10 meters and away from large metal objects. Now proceed to scanning and pairing on your source device to find the Yamaha unit. Once the receiver appears in your source's Bluetooth list, select it to pair. If a passkey appears, confirm it matches on both devices. After pairing, make sure the Yamaha is set to accept automatic reconnection in its network or Bluetooth settings so future connections are seamless. Then, fine-tune audio. Raise the phone's volume to around 50–70% and adjust the receiver input level and sound mode to suit music or movies. This avoids clipping and maintains dynamic range while ensuring consistent playback. Finish by playing a few test tracks to confirm stable audio, correct channel mapping, and acceptable latency for video. If you encounter dropouts or low volume, first restart both receiver and source, then delete the pairing and repair. This often clears handshake errors. Make sure Wi-Fi routers or microwaves aren't causing interference and move the source closer. If problems continue, update firmware, reset Bluetooth settings on the receiver, or try another phone to isolate whether the receiver or the source is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.